Hey there, I'm Ave Lambert. I'm the Director of Education here at CUESA. I'm coming to you from rainy Saturday at the Farmers Market. Our farmers markets are open Saturday, Tuesday, and Thursday, so please come out and support us. You can swipe up to donate, support CUESA, and keep the farmers markets alive. I'm here to show you how to shop for a week at our wonderful, abundant farmers markets. Don't forget to always bring your handy shopping list, and I'm going to walk you through what I picked up from our farmers around here. First, you got to start with your staples, right? So I've got our blue potatoes from Little Organic Farm. They're dry farmed. They make the best chips, baked, roasted. Another thing I got to roast are these beautiful parsnips from Heirloom. I roast those, high heat, olive oil, salt, and pepper. Maybe next to some of my purple broccoli, also from Heirloom. I don't know if you can see how beautiful that is. I might shave that with some of my fennel I got from them. And then I got a few carrots here too. Add some carrots to make it a meal. The next day I might soak some of my Yacapi gigante beans. I also got my masa brown rice. This is a good rice to soak, and maybe add some diaspora turmeric too. As a side dish, I could pick some spring peas, also from Yacapi. And maybe I'll roast some of these cremini and piopini mushrooms from Far West Fungi. We've got the, you can see them. Woo! And I might use my brown rice from masa and make a risotto. These beautiful purplettes can also be the base of my risotto or shaved on top. Another great side is some rainbow chard from K-Pay. For a snack, I might have some Alfieri almond butter. And don't forget to finish your risotto with some lemons, also from K-Pay. Avocados are another great snack. Favorite snack of all, though, are these mandarins from K&J. Last but not least, I could crack an egg on top of my risotto or have breakfast duck eggs from Farmer Joy. Half an hour for my coffee from Alexander. Just want to thank you for supporting the farmers markets and let you know for $79.32 I shopped for the entire week for me and my family or friends. I could drop some food off to a neighbor, and you can get all your pantry staples and get yourselves through a nice, delicious week here of shelter in place. I'll be coming to you with these recipes live from my home kitchen to show you how to use all of the great abundance here at our CUESA Farmers Markets. You can see the Bay Bridge in the background. I know we're all kind of feeling funky, but if we could keep it hopeful and stick together, keep each other healthy, and use our nourishing foods, support our farmers, and create communities together here online, even if we're sheltering in place or physically social distancing. So glad to see you out there. Hello, and see you soon.